In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use digital credit card on a Bank of America. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Most cards that you can acquire through the Bank of America mobile app will allow you to assign them to a digital wallet, meaning that you will be able to use them for contactless in-store or online payments, whatever you prefer. You can use this digital credit card attributed to any digital wallet. So first, open the latest version of the Bank of America mobile app. Now navigate to the Manage Accounts or Manage Debit/Credit Card section, where you can see all of the cards currently attributed to your account. In this window, tap on a specific card that you would like to attribute to a digital wallet. When you tap on any of the cards located in this window, you will be able to see more details about the card, and if you look below it, you will find digital wallets. As you can see, this allows you to add your card and manage where it's stored. So when you tap on digital wallets at the bottom, you will be able to choose from the main wallets available. If you are using an iOS device, you will be able to add it to the Apple Pay or Apple Wallet, and if you are on an Android device, you will see the Google Wallet instead. You can also add it to PayPal, but to keep it simple, I recommend using Google or Apple Wallet. When you choose either of those, you will be redirected into the respective digital wallet with all of the details about the card automatically filled out. And with this done, you are now ready to use this card in store to make contactless payments. As long as your phone has NFC capabilities and it is enabled, you can place your phone near the card reader to make payments, or alternatively, you can use the full card number, expiration date, and security code that you can access to make purchases online. You can manage it through the digital wallet and you can remove it at any time. I hope I was able to help you on how to use digital credit card Bank of America. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.